How to design a tropical house in just 20 feet by 60 feet. When it comes to learning, there is a great masterpiece designed by Formzero from Malaysia. They are a young firm and they created this amazing project in one of the street of urban dense area of Malaysia. So the total area of the house is somewhere around 340 square meter, and this house was built in 2017 and designed for a retired couple who are passionate about growing food. So here the planter boxes appears less defined, oscillating between garden, farm and the house, anticipating a redefinition of contemporary tropical house. So this house with its concrete planter box filled with more than 40 types of edible plants on every floor creates a strong visual contrast with the surrounding buildings. So here the recessed frontage provides the additional public space for the neighborhood interaction. These planters serves as the urban furniture, creating a connection between the couple and their neighbors. So taking inspiration from the vernacular tropical house, split bamboo is used as a framework for the concrete work of the planter boxes. So this bamboo texture not only signifies the abstract organic form of the house, but also provides a sustainable, low maintenance finish that ages well with the rain and the urban pollution. So let's see the conceptual framework of the house here. This is the entrance of the house from the north direction, and the overall house looks like a forest within a dense urban fabric. The sunlight from the east and the west enters the house from the back side, providing cross ventilation. Large planter box not only provide the privacy but also host 40 types of edible plants. The roof features a roof garden, and the house itself is a 3-story tall. The house is designed to resemble a mountain, allowing one to visualize trees on the mountains. The surrounding houses have a pitched roof. While this house is completely different from its neighbor, the height of the planter boxes varies to ensure privacy. So let's explore the conceptual section of the house here. The house is elevated on a plinth with the planter boxes providing a new architectural language and privacy for the user. The ground floor lacks interior walls, promoting the concept of free floor planning, and also provide the cross ventilation. So here the dining area is a double height with the natural light streaming in through these big glass windows and wind entering into the house from these windows. While you go up on the staircase that leads to the first floor, featuring the master bedroom with the views of the planter box terrace. On the top floor there is a spacious balcony nestled among the plants for the sitting area. The roof hosts a garden, allowing natural light to permeate the house effortlessly. If we examine the conceptual axonometric section, we can appreciate its crucial role in understanding the project. Axonometric drawings are highly valued in the architecture community as they effectively convey design ideas to the clients and the stakeholders. In this axonometric section, we can gain insight into the design concept and understand the proportion of the house. The entrance of the house is depicted with the ground floor characterized by the open space and the no walls. The dining area is a double height, and in the center there is a staircase. The roof features a garden and the house step backs resembling a mountain climb. With 3 stories, this stepping back creates a visual connection with the neighborhood. Each floor boasts balconies surrounded by the plants, providing privacy. The staircase at the center divides the house into 2 distinct parts. We can gain a clear understanding with the help of the floor plan. The house, while not expensive, covers an area of approximately somewhere around 340 square meter. The front is the north facing and the back side is the south facade. The house follows a north side orientation. Its dimensions measure somewhere around 20 feet by 60 feet, resembling a long house layout. So here, upon entering, you are greeted by the living area, which seamlessly flows into the dining area, characterized by its double height. The dining area includes the kitchen, with the staircase at the center visually separating the living and the kitchen spaces. The double height dining area allows ample natural light to enter into the house and facilitate the airflow. Both the front and the back of the house features the garden, contributing to the passive cooling within the house. Moving to the first floor, we notice a decrease in the overall massing of the house. The staircase remains certainly located. Upon ascending, you are greeted by a small work area connected to the master bedroom, offering a view of the balcony surrounded by the lush greenery. The semi-open bathroom provides a view of the sky, with the planter boxes ensuring the privacy. Towards the back, there is a double height roof offering a panoramic view of the house. So continuing up on the next floor, the staircase leads to the family area. The front of the house features a balcony while the guest bedroom occupies the back side. With wind flowing easily into the house from the front to the back, the microclimate remains efficient, reducing the dependency on the mechanical ventilation. So this is the basic planning of the house. Now let's examine the elevation of the house. So standing in the stark contrast to its neighborhood, the entrance is situated on the north side. The elevation features various planters of different sizes, crafting using a local bamboo during the framework of the concrete. This technique provides a unique texture to the house, require minimal maintenance and capable of withstanding the climate erosion. The roof is adorned with the green roof, while the planter box hosts edible plants yielding fruits and vegetables for the residents. This low maintenance facade not only makes the house affordable but also reduces the overall cost. The planter box truly defines the entire elevation of the house. So this is the conceptual section for the services of the house. Here the planter boxes are integrated into the irrigation system. Rainwater is collected and stored for the irrigation purpose, ensuring the sustainable water usage. So here each planter box is equipped with the own pipeline to provide water to the plants. The size of the planters varies depending on the desired level of privacy for each area. So this setup significantly reduces the need for the maintenance. So here this is the concrete planter box. If we cut a section of these planter box, we can observe how they function. Firstly, there is a concrete tank serving as the base. So the second layer added to this planter box is the waterproofing layer, ensuring no leakage. So next there is a draining medium that allows excess water to drain out. So above this there is a filter blanket, prevents soil from draining out while also preventing the pipe clogging. Then comes the planting medium, providing the necessary nutrition for the plant growth. Lastly, the top layer consists of a mulch which retains the moisture and reduces the need of the excessive watering. Within these layers, the plant thrives. This section provides a basic understanding of the house setup. If you want to learn how to make a roof garden or you want to make a roof garden into your balcony, you can comment down below. I will make a separate video on this particular topic. So here this is the typical section of the house. Here is the entrance of the house and these are the planters that we discussed earlier. The first part of the house is the living area and the dining area boasts double height ceiling. The backside of the house features a double height windows which provides natural light and the wind into the house. The center part of the house is the staircase. The first floor has a small work area connected to the master bedroom, which has a view of the balcony. On the second floor, there is a family room and the guest bedroom, both of which also has a view of the balcony surrounded by the plants. The roof of the house has a roof garden, which protects the house from the harsh sun rays, making the microclimate of the house very efficient. Here the slab used is a filler slab, decreasing the load of the slab. And into the concrete you put this earthen pots which reduce the amount of the concrete and also reduces the load of the house. So this is the concrete roof and you add these earthen pots into the roof, pouring concrete into them to make the roof lighter in mass. This technique has been used to decrease the massing of the house and also it is effective in creating the less concrete into the house. So now the question is that how we can implement these design principles into our design or maybe in the context of Indian architecture. So here the first and the most important principle that we can use here is the use of the planter boxes. So these planter boxes allows us to integrate tropical element into the dense urban areas, offering a fresh architectural language that many architects are currently embracing. This approach contributes to creating a sustainable home. So the second principle that we can use here is the use of the climate adaptation. Design should always consider the climate conditions with a focus on facilitating cross ventilation and the natural light within the house and also enhance the comfort and the efficiency of the house. So the third principle we can use here is the adopting of the free flow planning. This approach reduces the number of walls within the house, promoting cross ventilation and the natural light penetration. Additionally, incorporating planters in both the front and the back of the house further enhances its efficiency and sustainability. Architecture is always fun. You need to follow it with the right passion and the enthusiasm. If you love architecture, you cannot ignore these principles. And if you follow these principles into your design, your client will appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel for more such videos. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep hustling, keep smiling. Salute.